the function 3x plus 5y is a function of two variables, so it takes in pairs of numbers and it will give out single numbers as opposed to giving out pairs of numbers. Now, denoting the inputs as ordered pairs is ambiguous until an order is given to the variables x and y. So, get out of here, hand. To be clear, if x is first and y second, then the function assigns to the ordered pair 1, 2 the number. Okay, so that is to say x is first and y is second. That means the first number here we're meant to interpret as something to substitute in for x. So 3 times 1. And the second number we're meant to substitute in for the second variable, y. Oh, why did I write a y? I wanted to write a 2. 5 times 2. Sorry about that. Which is 3 plus 10. So 3 plus 10, and that is 13. Okay, now on the other hand, if y is first and x second, then it assigns, I'm using it as shorthand for the function, to the ordered pair 1, 2, the number. All right, so this time, since y is first, we're supposed to interpret the 1, the first thing in this ordered pair, as a y value. So plus 5 times 1. That is to say, I'm taking this here algebraic expression, I'm replacing y with 1, the first thing in the ordered pair, since y is the first variable. And I'll replace x with 2, since 2 is the second number here, and x is the second variable. And that is the different number. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5, 11. Good. Now, the idea here is that order matters, and we will denote the order that we choose for the variables through notation of the function. So, with the order x then y, we denote the function by the coefficients of the variables 3 and 5. So that 3, begin parentheses, 3, 5, the function takes in 1, 2, and gives out 3 times 1 plus 5 times 2. With the other order, y then x, we denote the function by 5, 3. See, the coefficients of the first variable comes first, and the coefficient of the second variable comes second. So that, let's see, 5, 3 takes in 1, 2, and gives 5 times 1 plus 3 times 2, which, well, I already calculated. I guess I could have put a period mark there, but now that I've made this equal sign, I better put something on the other side. Okay. So, again, The way that we denote the notation, that we denote the function, is hinting at how we are meant to calculate outputs corresponding to inputs. And the mnemonic is you multiply the first number here and the first number there, and you add to that the product of the second number and the second number. That came only from assigning an order to the variables x and y.